A faulty furnace is to blame for a carbon monoxide scare that sent 3 people to the hospital in Manchester. Now, they're going to be okay, but would you know what to do if this happened in your home? News 8's Noelle Gardner reports.
It was a close call for several families today as their homes filled with carbon monoxide.
I was woken up like around a little after like 9:30 with a big bang at my door. One of the neighbors from downstairs.
Firefighters were called out to this duplex on Maple Street. 6 people were inside at the time.
I didn't really smell it until like I got outside the hallway and everything and halfway down the stairs.
When we arrived on scene, we had the gas detection equipment ready and discovered that in fact there was 50 parts per million of carbon monoxide at the front door.
Firefighters ventilated the house, removing the carbon monoxide. Fire officials say a furnace was not working properly, and that was the source of the carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless, tasteless, and it's a little bit lighter than air.
Chief David Billings says every home needs carbon monoxide detectors.
You could be exposed to carbon monoxide in your home, in a business, and not be aware of it.
He says furnaces and chimneys need to be serviced on a regular basis.
It's either a situation where the exhaust fumes from the furnace are leaking into the house, they're not being evacuated like they should be, or there's a problem with the furnace equipment itself.
As for these families, they say they're just lucky to be okay.
You know, my mom is older. She's a senior citizen, and, you know, my brother-in-law just got out of the hospital. He was in there for like almost a month. He was, you know, sick, and they were actually the 2 that were in the house.
Thankfully, my daughter was already at school, but they did get a cat out from upstairs on the other side, so the cat was okay.
The fire chief tells me the duplex did not have carbon monoxide detectors. Reporting in Manchester, Noelle Gardner, News 8.